Blizzard Beach. It is day 4, I think. It's Thursday. So we're going to Blizzard Beach today. It's a little bit of a faff to get here these days. You have to get a bus to Animal Kingdom and then transfer to Blizzard Beach. So it took a little bit of time to get here, but I think you can get a bus direct back to the resort, which is better. Oh dear. Excited for a relax. Today's meant to be the hottest day over the next 2 weeks, so perfect day to do Blizzard Beach. We're meant to be going to Ohana's for tea, but I think we're just gonna sack it off, go to Disney Springs and have a relax, because Ohana's is a bit of a faff to get to if you're not in Magic Kingdom for the day. You have to get a bus to Magic and a monorail goes, ah! Daisy just crashed into Nana! Yeah. Yeah, so you've got Winter Summerland here as well. Disney's mini golf. The other one, the Fantasia one, is over by Swan and Dolphin Resort. So I'm gonna go in, get settled, and then go in some water. It's been far too long, been here too long and not hit a water park. Oh, we didn't match! Oh dear.
Is that the figure that was used last year?
There you go. There we go. Should we do Mammy's now? Daisy, Nana's that way. Come on, Princess. Hi. It's been a very long time since we've been at Blizzard Beach. It's been pre-COVID since I was last at Blizzard Beach. It's been like 2019, I think. So this will be fun. So we deposit Daisy when we're had enough. Never have enough of that. She's amazing. Love it to pieces. Sorry, soppy mum moment. Tykes Peak. That's where we're going. Get Daisy some slides. Enjoyment of children under the height of 48 inches, which this little bean is. I think she's about 40. She would manage to get on a 42-inch ride. Nothing more. I think 42-inch rides are a little bit too adventurous for her anyway. There's loads of sunbeds. We're here at about 11. It opened at 10, so it's lovely and chilled. Like, it's been a little bit busy this week. Like, the busiest day was Monday at Magic Kingdom when the Super Bowl thing was on. But since then, it's been like pretty chill. Daisy's got her chair ready. Is that your seat? Oh, she's got sand in her shoes. I'm not happy about it. Oh!
I'll stay with Daisy.
Yeah. We're going to put some powder. Are you excited to go swimming? Oh, well, it'll wash off when we go in the water, okay?
So that's a beach bar.
It looks like a bit of a beach bar. Yeah. It's called Freddy's Refreshments.
Frostbite Freddy.
Frostbite Freddy's. Daisy, don't run too fast. She's so excited. She's been wanting to go in a swimming pool all week. To a slide. I don't know whether she'll come out this one. We'll find out. We'll see where she gets to at the top. Amazing, it's all Frozen themed. Anna and Elsa, Sven and Kristoff, and Olaf's over there. We'll find my little bean up here. I think she's wanting to go down the slide. I'm watching. Daisy's bailed. She's been on much bigger actual rides. 3, 2, 1, go! Woohoo! Where's Nana? Yeah. Was that good? Yeah. Oh, I got out of going down that one. She'll love it when she goes down now. She's just a little scaredy cat, but also an adventurer. She wants to go down it, but she doesn't. And as soon as she does, she'll not want to stop. I've got a new one. This one's for in the water. Because the other one will break if it goes in water. Come here, monkey.
I need that one in complete.
Yeah, no, this one won't break in the water. Whee! Should we do Nana? Why not? There we go. Did you grab it down there? Hiya!
I'm not going to do anything. Other hand. Other hand.
I've got a speed wobble.
You'll float by yourself. No, it's okay, you're floating.
Daisy, you can touch the bottom down here.
Yeah. I was just going to show this works.
Maybe in a little bit.
We took... Look at those wonky glasses. On aim. Not really. She's playing a little scaredy cat today.
It's okay, Daisy.
We eventually come to where there's a man that has a tickle in his nose.
He goes... Choo! Sure this is going round you. Oh no, it's not.
I think it was going around the other way.
No, it's not. I'm gonna get wet.
Oh, watch this, watch this, watch.
No!
Watch Mummy.
No! No!
Mummy, what time's you going to get squirted?
You monkey! These chairs are so much better. They're like chair tubes instead of circle ones. It's so much easier to sit in. Probably just because I've got absolutely zero core muscles. Why are they so much comfier? Nothing better than Lazy River in a Disney water park. I think Disney water parks are so underrated. So many people don't even bother. Yeah, so many people don't even bother with the water parks. Like, literally just laid on the sunbed in the Lazy River. Don't even need to go down the slides, I'm happy. Wow, good job! You in a big girl seat! No.
Oh, you're funny doing this.
But I need 250 quid.
Hey!
Hey! Nana's a professional.
This is fun, isn't it?
Did you steal Nana's rubber ring? Yeah? Is that good, that one?
Oh, spin around.
Woohoo! Bye! Clip is just for Lauren. Because I know she loves that I wear these. And she'll be so happy. And she'll enjoy taking the mic next time she sees me. Yeah, I wear special little water shoe things. What? Faster? Yeah, I wear them because I'm a bit of a wimp. My feet get sore on all the concrete when I'm wandering around. And normally it is boiling hot. So it makes my day more enjoyable if I've just got weird little shoes on. So Daisy's got some on as well because her little feet are too delicate to be wandering around on the rough floor. I understand why it's rough because it stops you slipping, but it's just not nice to walk on. And I'm a bit of a baby. Where am I gonna bump? This side. Anybody got a hanky? Oh no! Oh no! I escaped. Let's go see what little one's doing. Yeah, she went. Because did somebody sneeze? What happened? You got a pretty nose.
And what happened with the water?
Yeah.
Did he get me and you?
Did he hit you on your head?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa.
It's okay.
Was it good fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. There was a buzzy thing.
Well, it's not in the trade as a leaf, is it?
No.
Keep all them sides. That's it. She's got her feet in the water now.
Good job.
Now, Daisy, if you fall in, don't worry because that jacket makes you float.
Yeah, and you can touch the bottom.
Splash mummy. Splash mummy.
Don't splash, Mammy.
Yay!
Ah! You monkey.
Big ramps now.
Aye!
Hey, that was me. Why did you like that one? Why do you like this one? It hasn't got the middle chopped off. No. Are you gonna lie down like Nana? No. Damn slow. Oh, I'm stuck. I can't. Look what Daisy found.
Oh, wow. You got your own. Who is that? I'm mixing up.
Hey! Hey! Get Nana.
I think there's been no one somewhere. Go round again.
I'm going to show Aimee Daisy the big pool where the waves are.
Alright, where are we getting outside from?
Just before the head shoes.
Okay.
You want a seat? Have you got a seat?
Well, at least have a...
Things to do for your children. What? You laughing at me?
You want your sunglasses? them right behind your ears.
Yeah. Good job. You lying down? What did Nana do? Did she? Was that naughty? Or was it funny? Naughty.
Well, the speed she was going to get stuck under it for a while, so I thought it's best push it. What you doing now? What you doing now? Let's play past the daisy. Are we after the next one? Or?
I think so, yeah. What are you doing?
Be careful, there's a Japanese whaling ship about. Right.
I tried to get over.
They kept washing me ashore. Oh, look at the slides. Look at the big girls and boys going down the slides.
I don't like it though.
It's okay, we're going to get off at the top. There's no big downs. There's Summit Plummet. Nana and Gramps. We're not going down, there's nobody allowed to come down. Nobody's coming down. Where? On Team Boat Springs. It's a big slide, darling, for mummies, nanas.
This is a rough ride where we all go in one.
And then afterwards we're going to go and get ice cream.
Yeah, ice cream.
Yeah?
Like ice cream, Daisy?
We're going to get ice cream and beer.
Ice cream. I've not had a swirly chocolate. I've not had a swirly chocolate and vanilla ice cream yet.
We all get into one tube.
That was cold.
Sounded like monkeys then, didn't we?
Go, oh, oh, ah, ah. Oh, oh, ah, ah.
Remember, normally people are given for
I know. It's literally a walk, and normally there's at least like a 20-minute queue.
3.5. Hurry up, Nana.
Quick, quick, Nana.
Wibbly wibbly on your bottom.
bar. Dad's found a beer he likes. Mum's having a pina colada and a funnel cake. Dizzy's playing in the sand, and I am going for ice cream. It's the first time I'm going to have soft serve ice cream in America. Well, this time. And Disney soft serve ice cream is the best. I think I'm going to go for a chocolate and vanilla swirl, or just chocolate. We'll see. Maybe they'll come back with a sundae. Who knows? We could go wild. Got the kids. Slightly concerned that it's already dripping out the bottom of the cone. Amazing. That won't fix your problems, nothing will. Mum and Dad have got cocktails, I've got ice cream. Funnel cakes left. And see if I lose my ice cream to my child. She was asked multiple times if she wanted ice cream. I was told a firm no. Let's see what happens. What? Excuse me, what's happened there? What's that?
Well, she's demolished it and the...
Wow.
I don't like from.
No, but you do your legs straight. I know, well, you do your straight, girls do them straight.
Yeah, Grams is doing this.
Lie down. Easy push, Nana. Nana didn't. Oh, she got stuck. Dizzy, did Nana get wet? Did you? You naughty. You'll have to push me under next time. Have you checked on Nana? Daisy, have you checked Nana's okay? No? You pushed me under the waterfall and I got very, very wet. You pushed me into the waterfall.
Yeah.
It wasn't you.
I think it was.
She told me it was. You told me it was you.
Let's do
You getting mummy? You better not be.
Are you watching? Are you watching? Are you watching? Are you
You better not be.
Are you watching?
Little monster.
Where's camera?
She's behind you. That way.
You got mummy there?
She got me. Life is good again. Gotta be going round again because I've now got a chair. I want at least 3 goes on the lazy river. I've decided. Been trying to cancel a dining reservation as well, and the app is just not working. I don't know if it's because I've had to merge 2 accounts or what's gone on, but it's just not working. Good evening. We've just come back and got changed from Blizzard Beach. Mum's come in. I'm back on my old faithful camera just because my other one's flat, so I thought I may as well crack this out, brought this back. But anyway, I had to pop to guest services to get a dining reservation changed. For tonight we were going to go to Ohana's, but it's a faff to get to from our Magic Kingdom anyway, so we're just going to head down to Disney Springs, and I also changed a Skipper's Canteen reservation for Monday to Crystal Palace. I just thought it'd be better for Daisy, but my app is not working properly. It won't let me modify anything or cancel anything, so I have to go to guest services to do it, which is slightly annoying. So I'm gonna have to check the plans for the rest of the week and see if anything else needs moving or rearrange it. Who's coming? And Daisy's very sleepy after Blizzard Beach. One sleepy monkey. just heading down to get the boat, and there is a massive queue, which there seems to be this time of night, particularly from Riverside. I never really noticed it from French Quarter, but there is a huge queue that's probably 3 boats deep. So hopefully they turn up pretty quickly, because my feet hurt. The only cloud.
You see that?
He's going to complain he's going to bed back tonight.
Hand leg.
Yeah.
But then so will she, so they'll match. I just love how Bunny gets carried round by its tag. It's just like, oh, help me! We arrived at Springs. So 20:07, and we want a nap.
We do. Daisy's had one.
Daisy's had one. We're knackered. We're gonna get some food. What are you doing, monkey? Stop. She's getting in now. Tea. We've ordered, I don't know what.
Lots of meat.
Lots of meat. Daisy's got nuggies and chips coming. Yeah, good so far.
And beer. Beer.
And more beer.
Somebody's got
Fizzy Bob.
Is that the cod? I don't know if I'm allowed to say it, but
What did he say?
it's normally pissy butter in America. But it's nice to have some nice beer. Sorry to all the Americans I've offended.
Drinks have arrived. I got vodka lemonade, which is their homemade lemonade. I'm going redder by the minute. Mum got wine. Dad got
Not pissy butter.
not water beer.
Very nice.
Daisy got apple juice. Before Dad devours it, that was a butcher's board. So because it's to share for 2, it counted as like 2 quick service credits. I got the pulled pork with the waffle fries. Daisy got chicken tenders and carrot. Do you want me to chop that off for you? I'll chop that bit off for you. Well, that was delicious. And that vodka lemonade has quite a lot of vodka in it. If anyone's been out drinking with me, they will know. A little bit spinny. Where are you going? We're off into the Harley Davidson shop. Daisy fancies being a biker, apparently. Leave him alone for 1 minute. Look what happened. Leave him alone for 1 minute and he sat on a bike. Daisy wants to go now. We had the cheery news that this is what Gramps was on when he fell off.
Oh, nice.
You're going to hold the handlebars. Off to the world of Disney. It's almost been a week and we've not been in yet. It's busy. Biggest Disney store in the world.
Is it? In the world?
In the world, I think. I'll fact check. Izzy, you've got one of them at home. Pick a different one. You've got a big one of them at home. You get a different one, baby.
But you don't have to pick one tonight.
Yeah.
You're going to come back loads of times.
Called into Goofy Candy. I'm getting 3 create your own marshmallow treats, which are a snack credit. So I'm excited for these. Just these 3. And I'm losing my voice.
You are?
I am losing my voice.
Let me do my voice then.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, 2 chocolates.
They're too cool.
Oh, they're crispy treats, darling.
So why are they not making them?
They are making them. Look, they're dipping them in the chocolates. Whoa. Nana, can you just grab Daisy a sec, or can you not? She's just slipping.
No, they're able to make your crispy treat. Hey? Nana's getting one as well. Yeah. Marshmallows. This is the one with marshmallows.
Mummy's.
That's Mummy's one, that one.
But I can share with Daisy if you want.
I know it's going to put some for Daisy. What's in there? What the lady's making too. Is this one Nana's?
Yeah.
This one's Nana's. I bet they hate it when you ask the marshmallows on.
Yeah, I've just realised that. Because the other ones just get dipped in. You might lose yours.
Sprinkles on mine.
I should have gone with sprinkles for Daisy.
Do you? Well, you can have some on mine, then, eh? You think that one might be out? Yeah.
The other one's got yogurt and chocolate drops on. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Or I can ask her to change it.
Oh no.
Yeah. Mummy picked the wrong option apparently. She's having... The marshmallows are a bad choice.
What's the other one? The other one's getting white chocolate on it. Do you like white chocolate? The one with sprinkles on. Okay, you can have the one with sprinkles.
Or you can have the one with marshmallows on if you don't want the white chocolate one.
Amazing. Look here. Amazing.
Mummy picked the bad choice for Daisy, didn't I? I should have spotted the sprinkles option.
What about them?
That chocolate.
Yeah.
Look all that chocolate on there for Daisy. No. She wants the sprinkle one, so Nana's
Yeah.
going to have that one instead.
Mummy picked the wrong choice.
That's it, eh? Yes.
It said yogurt. They're all made. So that's the same price as if you bought like a crispy treat on its own. So why not make your own? We're all done at Disney Springs. I'm tired. I want my crispy treat. And there's a queue a mile long for the boats. Not what I signed up for, Disney. I mean, the boats are running pretty frequently. So it is just the volume of people. However, very annoying. I'm ready for bed and can't walk straight. And I think Daisy's ready to go clubbing.
Yeah.
She's full of beans. She picked up a little Nala snuggly baby toy thing.
Yeah. Lovely baby.
And that's the one she wanted. We tried everything else in the shop, and Bunny got pushed straight to the back.
Yeah.
Didn't she? She's been delegated. Bunny should be in the back of the pushchair.
Alright.
Yeah. Because at one point Bunny fell on the floor, and I was like, Daisy, why is Bunny on the floor? She was like, I don't know. I was like,
Then your favourite?
yeah. So she's got a new favourite.